Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to ADR Rush Team. Here today, we want to show you guys a LED product that we purchased at Amazon called BeamTech. Now, when we purchased these products, with this product, before we purchased it, we did a search on Amazon. It was like $40-something for 2 lights. It said it was compatible with the GSSR 600 2013 to 2011 to 2021. So we bought them, and this is how they look. Now, I already installed these on one of the bikes, one of the ADR Rush bikes. I tell you, it was a challenge because not only did it not come with these spacers here, as you see here, I had to order these separate, but the second challenge I ran across was putting that rubber sleeve over this right here, and then putting this on and this on. See, somewhat like, I don't remember, but y'all get the point. Anyhow, I did this installation about a month and a half ago, and I tell you, these LEDs look great. And what made me get these LEDs? Well, my buddy Miguel gave me 2 little LEDs. Let me show you. Gave me these 2. And once we turned on the bike, these look cool. And I was like, man, we need to get LED headlight. See it? But as you see, I still haven't changed the high beam. So we're experimenting, trying these out. And so far, so good. And right now, I'm waiting for my son, and it should be getting dark soon. Once it gets dark, we're gonna put the regular bulb and this LED here to the test. Now, I noticed that my headlight aims a little down. My LED lights aim a little down. And that's because I have to sand these. I had to sand these down to customize these for the bike. So what I did was, I took these on this concrete. You can use a file or whatever, but this is just like a file because it's stone. And you just go back and forth like this. Try to apply even amount of pressure on all 4 corners. But what happens is, you got to be careful. Sometimes when you do that, you might put pressure on these 2, and these will sand down more than these 2, or vice versa. These 2, and they'll sand down more than these 2. So that's why my LED, it's a little down. But don't get me wrong, I can take it out, resand it a little bit to aim that LED up a little more. So that's not an issue. So that being said, we're gonna wait till it gets dark. It's almost there. All right, guys, look at the differences. Let me remind you, these bikes are the same bikes, just a year difference. Call it comparison. He does have 2 LEDs here on the top, but not the main bulb. I have the 2 LEDs, the headlight, but I do not have the high beam. So y'all be the judge of this. Which one will y'all prefer, LED or standard? All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, as you see, it is dark. The sun is pretty much almost gone. We're gonna do this comparison. Line up the bikes evenly. We're gonna line up these bikes evenly, and we're gonna do the comparison. We'll start off with Angel. Turn on your, y'all see? His goes pretty far.
Yeah, admire my sexy bike.
I can see his light hitting that wall, far wall. Just slide a bit. Now remember, like I stated earlier, my LED light is aiming down a little. but his is pretty wide. The yellow, the only thing I say is the yellow. All right, turn off yours. I'm gonna turn mine on. That's the difference. Mine's just hitting the wall too.
Boo.
Mine's just hitting the wall. It's wider.
Boo.
Oh, my son is a sore loser. Anyhow, as y'all see, let's switch it up again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Man, that's a big difference. Like I said, he's hating on me right now, but I have an extra one. I could install it on his bike. Just by looking at that wall, see how his is aiming up? Look how the line, see my finger? The line goes up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Mine's is consistent. Mine is actually, there's no line. I noticed that there's no line. Mine's is almost like a bubble beam. But y'all let us know what y'all think, why y'all prefer the LED lights or the conventional, traditional bulb, regular bulb, standard bulb for your car or your bike. So anyhow, if you guys like this video, please hit like and subscribe. We have more cool content coming soon. Anything you want to say?
No, not really.
All right, he's tired. He just got out of work. So with that being said, see y'all soon.
Peace.
You take off. Peace.